Hey guys, welcome to Electrofan. If you haven't subscribed our channel, please subscribe because we are coming up with new videos every week. In this video, I will show you how you can interface the one wire or you can say DS18 temperature sensor with your Arduino. So there are two types of DS18 which you will get in market. The one looks like a transistor and the other one is this. It's a waterproof with a waterproof probe. So what you will need in this will is an Arduino resistor. It can vary from 2.2 kilo ohms to 10 kilo ohms. So I'm using 10K and DS18 and breadboard. So let's see how you can get started with it. So there's a default library for this sensor which we'll be using. It is one wire and Dallas temperature. So first you need to download one wire temperature sensor library. The link will be mentioned in the description below. So you don't have to worry about that. Just download the zip file. Then the last temperature library. Again go to the Arduino libraries info and the latest one. Now add both of the libraries in your Arduino with the method we always follow. Now this is a digital sensor and I have personally tested this sensor for very long wire length as well. It works absolutely fine. So you can use this digital sensor. It is very cool enough. So the library is added. We'll add the next library. So we have added the library. Now we'll start with the code. First you will need to include the libraries one wire.h and include the last temperature.h. Then we will need to define the pin. So we will just define one wire pin as 2. Why we are doing that as 2? Because we have a circuit diagram which we have made. So you can see I have used a transistor like DS18, but we are interfacing the waterproof DS18. Both of them are same. So what you need to do is you need to connect a resistor between the data and VCC. It means you have to pull up the data pin to VCC. So that only I have done. I have connected the digital pin to 2. Then the other pin goes to the resistor and the other end goes to 5 volts with the transistor with the sensor. So this is the connection diagram. So that is the reason I have defined the pin as 2. So what this does is define the Arduino. After that we set the instance one wire with one wire and then define our pin which we defined earlier. Now what this does is it creates setup of instance to communicate with one wire sensor. After that, now you need to pass the reference to the last temperature library. So the last temperature sensors ampersand this instance. Control C, Control V. What this does is passes one wire reference to Bella's temperature value. So now coming to setup, we will serial begin to print the data on the serial console with the baud rate of 9600, and we'll start the sensor. Sensors.begin. The instance which you have defined over here will begin. Now coming to loop, this will start your library. Coming to loop, the first will be sensors.request. What this will do is it will request all the devices on the bus. Now there can be multiple devices as well, so we'll just request temperature so this will, I'll just clear this and write the comment over here. Call and request all sensors in one wire bus. After that, we will just do the serial print. You can get the temperature in Celsius as well as Fahrenheit, so both of them have their own functions. Or Celsius temperature, we will see both of them. Serial dot print the temperature value. Now that is requested by sensors dot get temp C by index 0, because we are just connecting one sensor. So 0 refers to the first IC on the wire. Now we'll just read that the temperature in Fahrenheit and the same function again, but small change over here F. So we are done. We'll keep a delay of 1 second and then we'll save the code to a folder in desktop of Arduino tutorials DS18 and then we'll compile the code and then we'll move on with the connections. So we are done with the compilation. Now we will see how the connections are done as per our circuit diagram. So we will see how the connections are done. I have connected 3 wires of DS18 with the breadboard. Now we will just connect the resistor, pull-up resistor between the data and VCC, and the remaining connections VCC as per the circuit diagram. Then the data, which will be connected with pin number 2 of Arduino, because we have done the code such a way, and then the ground. So we have already compiled the code. Now so the code is uploaded. Now we'll just check the data on serial terminal. Just make it full screen. Okay, it's not proper. So what I'll do is I just want it to go to new line. So civil dot println and again upload the code so that I get the temperature on new line. So the code uploading is done, and now we can see we're getting the temperatures. I'll just hold the sensor and check if it changes the value. So as you can see, the Celsius temperature is varying as I am holding the temperature sensor. So I hope you have understood this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask me in the comment section below. And the detailed description of the code, the circuit diagram and everything will be in my website www.electrofun.co.in. Make sure you check the website and give us your feedback. Till then, like our video, share it with your friends and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.